generation type, each coach will not have any power source. Small power source for emergency lighting. So your main power source is available in the end coaches. Either end you will have a power car. So power cars. Power cars are fitted with high capacity diesel generator sets. So you will have to run the diesel generators throughout your journey. So that power is generated to all the coaches using a flexible coupler. So that is another arrangement.
Yesterday they were telling vestibule.
Vestibule means that is for physical movement from one coach to another coach.
Okay.
That arrangement is called vestibule. But for electrical power supply, we call it as couplers, inter-vehicle couplers. Okay, that is end-on generation system. And advancement, end-on generation system, some advancements have taken place long back, 3-4 years back. So instead of running a diesel generator set throughout your journey, because you need the diesel, so you have to reduce the diesel consumption. Now the new concept is the locomotive itself will have power. So that is called head-on generation. Locomotive is already getting, electric locomotive getting power from the 25 kV overhead line. So the locomotive itself powerful generators, not generator, converters are provided. So that generates whatever power required for your complete train formation. So instead of running a diesel generator set, we tap power from the locomotive. That is the latest concept. Now almost 80% of the coaches are running like that only. That is the another method. The Vande Bharat is the another latest concept. Vande Bharat also takes power from the roof, and it is converted, and every coach will have converters, so power is taken like that. So the first type of I told self-generating coaches. So the power is available in the coach itself. How it is getting power means with the help of these alternators. This is a complete assembly. This is called so it is called an alternator. So it is 25 kilowatts capacity. So each coach will have two such alternators. Each coach will have two such alternators. When the coach is on run, this alternator is run with the help of, through a wheel belt. The main propelling equipment is your main wheel itself. That is the prime mover. So the prime mover is automatically wheel has to rotate. So that power is tapped through wheel belts and it is transported to the alternator. So during on run, the alternator generates electricity required for that coach. Suppose the station, the station means train has to stop. At that time, battery, a powerful battery backup is provided in that such type of coaches. So that will provide power to your all coach equipment. So this is a 25 kilowatts alternator, and it's called a brushless alternator. That's overhauling area. So you must be knowing every coach will come to overhauling once in 1.5 years. The other type coach will come in 1 to 3 years. So the self-generation coach, whenever it comes for POH, we remove the alternator and bring it here, we open it, overhaul it, again we put it back to the
Sir, you are explaining like missing nothing and orderly you are telling. Generation 1, 2, 3, 4.
that is because training means you are one of your curriculum you are planning is coach AC coach. So how it is getting power, people must know.
Yes,
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
Nowadays it's a multi-skilled concept. AC na AC மட்டும் பார்த்துட்டு போறதெல்லாம் இல்லை, எல்லாமே பார்க்கணும். நம்மளே தான் people should know everything. That's why I'm starting with that.
Excellent. So this is the first time I am very new concept. So self-generation from the wheel itself, it's taking power and generating the power.
You are seeing new, but it is already the system is there.
We
for the
thought
past
that
40
either
years.
from diesel locomotive or overhead power only it comes.
For the past 40 years, the system is being
But ultimately the efficiency will be.
yeah, definitely, because here losses are there. Losses are there. Efficiency is less only, slightly less, not very less. But now that has been compensated with
But no other go. No other go.
now that we have changed, these type of coaches slowly fading. Now in our Indian Railways, self-generation coaches, now only 20% of coaches are running. So balance type of coaches
Are they
are
still running in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
Due to non-availability of regular coaches.
Not like that. See, they are slowly phasing out. The transition is taking place a bit slowly. You need new coaches. Yeah, they replace.
Yes.
And now already these coaches, they have manufactured up to 2015. So we have spent huge cost for the manufacturing. So அது வந்து அப்படியே
Lifetime has to surrender.
கொஞ்சமாவது போகணும் அப்படியே அப்ரப்டா நீங்க கண்டம் பண்ணீங்க இட்ஸ் லாஸ் ஃபார் ரயில்வே ஸோ ஸ்லோலி தே ஆர் ஃபேசிங் திஸ் ஸோ இந்த
Are they indigenous made by?
yes sir, all are these are all indigenous made.
But LHB is imported.
LHB technology is imported,
But manufactured.
but we are manufacturing ourselves nowadays.
Oh, okay.
And this is the testing arrangement for that alternator.
Test rig.
Test rig. So the alternator, so we are here, what we are doing is we are simulating the running condition.
Oh.
So actually கோச்சில் எப்படி இருக்கு கோச்சில் வந்து ட்ரெயின் ரன்ஸ் அட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஸ்பீட் அப்புறம் வந்து ஃபார்வர்ட் ட்ரெயின் இங்கிருந்து கோயம்புத்தூர் போகும்போது ஃபார்வர்டில் போக அங்கிருந்து வரும்போது ஆல்டர்னேட்டர் ரன் இன் த ரிவர்ஸ் ஸோ திஸ் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் திஸ் டெஸ்ட் ரிக் வில் இன்டகிரேட்டட் டெஸ்ட் ரிக் ஓகே ஸோ ஸ்லோ ஸ்பீட் ஹை ஸ்பீட் வித் ஆஃப் லோட் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் லோட் ஆஃப் லோட் ஃபுல் லோட் forward, reverse, everything is done. So this is the testing arrangement.
Thank you.
Rebuild drive important.
This is yeah. See, this is adana anga coach liye kaatlan paatha. Anyhow, see actually I told you know the alternator is driven by the wheel. So inge wheel ku badala we have provided a motor with a pulley arrangement, shaft pulley arrangement. So the power is transmitted from the shaft to the alternator with the help of these V bells. Okay, this is anga motor ku badala உங்களுக்கு main wheel la அந்த மாதிரி pulley இருக்கு.
நம்ம பெட்ரோல்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிப்பாங்க சார் பெல்ட் டிரைவ்ஸ் டிஃபரண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் டிரைவ்ஸ் அதுல இது மாதிரி
Chain drive, flat belt, cross belt. எழுதிக்கும்
So
Please come, please.
this electronic box is called a regulator and rectifier unit. So this fellow along with the alternator, it is actually a combined unit, both together, integrated together to feed electrical power supply to the coaches. இதோட necessity என்னன்னா because the train runs at different speed and your coach load, electrical load also keeps on varying from lesser load to full load, and it is time to time it will be the load, electrical load is also varying on the alternator. So on the time you need see whenever there is a change in load there will be fluctuation, and whenever there is a change in speed again there is a voltage fluctuation. So if any voltage fluctuation is not good for electrical equipment, so you have to give a stabilized supply to some extent. So on the value on the stabilizer value this one is doing. So even if the speed changes, the output of the alternator will more or less remain constant. That is one of the main applications of this box. The second application is your alternator generates AC 3-phase. But coach system voltage is 110 volt DC. So it converts AC to DC and also controls the output based on your speed.